What's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. Today I want to talk about stock manipulation. I will be making more videos on stock manipulation, but these two stocks stood out to me: PLM and KCAC. I just want to go over it, and probably in the future I will find more examples of manipulation. But these two stocks stood out to me. So I haven't forgot. I'm gonna have to give away. I didn't post on Friday because I had a lot of things going on Friday, so I couldn't make a video Friday. So I will have that giveaway on Monday. Yeah, I have the giveaway on Monday, and for last week's contest, and then we'll move on forward. So let's get into this stock manipulation video. So PLM, a lot of people can't see it, but stock manipulation is basically just unusual action in a stock. I mean, it's not moving how it's supposed to move, like in a wave. It kind of looks like it, but it's not. As y'all can see, it's like a straight line. A lot of manipulations move like in a straight line, and this stock was moving in a straight line. So let me show y'all. If you draw a line under this stock right here, it's straight. I mean, somebody's holding it up, and then the stock kept squeezing, like big squeeze, then big crash, then up, just grinding, big squeeze, then drop, then grinding, big squeeze, then drop. It's still holding but it's still holding this line right here though. That's a sign of manipulation. Let me show y'all the 5-minute chart. It looks clear now, don't it? It's just a straight line upward, and then when they pull the rug, it crashes because it's just short squeeze and fake buying. That's all it is. And then once they pull the rug, it crashes. As y'all can see, it just fell apart. No more straight lines. It's trading how it's supposed to trade. Now it can spike like this, but not all the way up to $6 like this in a straight line. Like, come on, it's not moving in a wave. But see, but on the way down when it pulled it, okay, big crash because it's a lot of fake buying and it's a lot of manipulation that's out of the stock now. So of course it's gonna crash, and then you got somebody's in there, and still some short sellers that shorted it, averaging up, they getting out. Now the stock is moving sideways now. It wasn't doing that while it was doing this. It's straight up. Now it's crashed and then consolidation, and then it does what it does. So this is normal action right here. This is normal. All this is manipulated. Y'all see this? It's just manipulated. Stops moving. It don't supposed to move in a straight line like that. It's supposed to move in a wave. You can see it moving like that, but at the end of the day, if you look at the base is just straight up. Like it's crazy. And you got KCAC. This is another form of manipulation. Let me go back to the 5-day, all the way back here. And if you want these lines right here, because my lines are accurate as y'all can see, go to www.dcprt.com. But this stock was still manipulated. It has a lot of big names in this stock, so I'm not surprised. But as y'all can see, this is normal. You know, it moves in a wave, like big spike, crash, bounce, down, bounce. Okay, it's cool. It's cool. Now, once it gets right here, y'all see the difference. It's an agenda right here. You know, it's an agenda right here. It's not moving like this no more. When it comes right here, it's just straight now. It's just straight. It's in a agenda right here. Now the stock doesn't want to go up. I can tell it don't want to go up. Somebody's holding it up. As y'all can see, it crashes, boom, come right back up. Try to crash, come back up. Try to crash, comes back up. Try to crash, comes back up. Fades off, but back up. You see what I'm saying? But back up. And then it always end up in this type of move right here. I call this the green, green, green pattern because it's like a short squeeze in a straight line. You don't see this move right here nowhere else in this chart. I don't consider this it. It's like a grinding type of spike. It's kind of weird looking, but you can kind of tell that it's manipulated and it's squeezing out, you know, shorts that's trying to get in short right here. Usually after a grind up, trying to hold this stock up, a fake out breakdown, this move always comes. And I'm gonna show y'all this move again because they do the same thing again. And then after this move, it just goes up. This is manipulated right here. This little action right here. After this, it's moving again. Same thing with Friday. The same type of action. It's moving, it's doing whatever, you know, big crash, bounce. Now it broke the lines now. It should have been a downtrend. So after a big drop, I expected to bounce. And I expected it to kind of make new lows or either test like a double bottom. But what it doesn't do that. What it does is hold right here at a unusual price range, like 33, 20, 20s, an unusual price range. You look at the overall chart. This chart. Basically, technical analysis supposed to come back down right here where a lot of support is at and bounce off this support level right here in the 18s, 17s. Because this right here is nothing but air right here. This is a straight short squeeze. It's nothing but air. And if you look at the next day, big crash. Okay, bounce up to my lines, cool. And it's supposed to head down lower, at least down here. Touch this and then do what it want to do. If it want to keep going down or it want to bounce back up, you know. But they held it up at this unusual price range right here. It has been basing right here in the pre-market, but it's not as strong as this support level right here. But this goes to show the same thing happened right here. What I showed y'all on Thursday, it happened again right here. So comes down, comes down, it want to break down, it don't break down, tries to break down, don't break down, come back again, keep testing, don't break down. And then the green, green, green pattern comes. Same type of pattern. The consolidation. Stock wants to break down. A fake out breakdown, and then the green, green, green pattern comes. This one is a little bigger, and then it continue going up. Same thing right here. Consolidation. Look like it's tailing off. Reclaims, green, green, green pattern. This manipulated short squeeze right here. Consolidation, holding it up, green, 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 green pattern. So those are two signs of manipulation. There's more. This is not as blatant, but I can tell, you know. hopefully more stocks that are real blatant. I can really show y'all what I'm talking about. But it always end up in this type of squeeze right here. And after that, it's cool. It's just choppy, you know. It's choppy. I mean, it's cool right here. All this is cool. All this is cool. Y'all can kind of see the difference. It's just this little spot right here is way different from right here, right here, right here. All of this is way different. And then when it gets back right here, now it looks like that. It looks like that. This looks like this. This is a little bit more tighter, and this is kind of a little bit more looser, but it always ends up in this green pattern that I'm talking about. And this stock maybe spike up more. I don't know what happens. We'll see. But a lot of times after a big crash like this, especially up on the highs like this, the stock fades off. I mean, I haven't seen too many stocks recover from a big crash like this. Technically it is still up, but after a big crash like this, it usually fades to at least this level right here, and then it can bounce back up. It doesn't do that. It stops at an unusual price, and then it just does the same manipulation as this green pattern, and then it goes back up. So yeah, those are two types of manipulation. It's more. A lot of people really can't read it and see it, but you will know once you have more experience. And then, like I said, it's more blatant manipulations. So I will make sure I will capture that and make a video on those also. So those are two examples. There's way more examples. Like I said, I need to find more stocks, and I'll make another video on some more manipulated stocks. That's it for this video. If you want to join the family, go to www.dcprt.com, and that's it for this video. Peace.